Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download, install, and uninstall Microsoft Store in Windows 11 and 10. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your system and wait for your Windows 11 computer to completely load up. It's important to let everything boot properly before making any changes to your system, as this ensures all background processes are running smoothly and prevents any potential conflicts during the installation. Once your PC is fully ready and responsive, navigate to your Windows Start menu and click on it. In the search bar that appears, type in CMD. This will bring up the command prompt in your search results. Under the command prompt launch option, you'll see an option that says Run as admin. Click on this to open the command prompt with administrator privileges, which is necessary for installing system apps like Microsoft Store. A Microsoft command prompt window will appear on your screen. Now, here's where you'll need to execute the command lines to download and install Microsoft Store. I'll be showing you two command lines that you need to run in the command prompt. You can pause the video at this point to carefully copy the command correctly, making sure there are no typos or missing characters. Once you've entered the command line into the prompt, simply press Enter to execute it. The command will immediately start the download and installation process for Microsoft Store. You'll see progress indicators in the command prompt window, and this process might take a minute or two depending on your internet speed and system performance, so be patient while it completes. Once the installation has finished successfully, you'll be ready to use Microsoft Store. However, if you ever need to uninstall Microsoft Store, here's how you can do that. Head back to your Start menu and click on it again. In the search bar, type in Apps and Features. This will open the Apps and Features window, which presents you with a comprehensive list of all the software and applications currently installed on your Windows 11 PC. From here, locate the search bar at the top of the window and type in Microsoft Store. Click on the Microsoft Store result that appears in the list. The entry will expand to show you more options. You'll notice an option labeled Advanced Options. Click on it to access the app's detailed specification page. On this page, scroll down until you find the Uninstall button. Click on this button to proceed with the uninstallation process. Do note that this action requires administrator privileges, so you may be prompted to confirm your choice or enter your admin password before the uninstallation begins. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to download, install, and uninstall Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.